Welcome to this video. In this video, I will cover the sources and uses section in the ARGUS multifamily model. In a typical investment, sources of capital consist of debt and equity. Uses of capital consist of purchase price and the various items. I'm going to input $15 million for purchase price, $80,000 for broker fee, $70,000 for legal expenses, $50,000 for working capital. Mortgage brokerage fees is 1% of the total debt amount. In fact, I can use a percentage-based expense whenever I want in the sources and uses section. Let's say due diligence fees are 5% of legal fees. I input the 5% here and do the calculation besides it. This is just a demonstration of the great amount of flexibilities I have in the sources and uses section. I will re-enter $80,000 for due diligence cost. Acquisition fees is 1% of purchase price, $100,000 for the capital raise fee, $1 million for Capital Expenditure Reserve. This reserve is basically the funds put aside for the renovation cost. I'm going to go back to the sources now. I will input $10.5 million for senior loan amount, which represents roughly a 63% loan to value, and input $1.5 million for mezzanine, with a loan to value about 9%. General partner will put $465,000 in this deal, and limited partner will contribute $4,185,000. I will cover the GP and LP dynamics in this model later in the waterfall section. Last but not least, I need to check if the total sources match the total uses, $16.65 million and $16.65 million. I'm all set with sources and uses section. Thank you for watching this video.